Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Udoh, and every week I share great content that you can implement in your personal finance to grow your wealth. So thank you so much for being here. And today's topic is on how to make more money. Now, before we jump right into this, I just want to let you know I am not a tax professional. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube sharing some of my life experiences with you and to help as many people as possible avoid the mistakes that I have made with my personal finance. So thank you so much again for tuning in. Now, how do you make more money? Well, there are different ways for you to make money, okay? You can be an employee, you can be self-employed, you can be a business owner, and you can be an investor. Now, if you are a business owner and you're an investor, then this probably doesn't apply to you. This video is basically targeted to people who are currently employed, okay, and only getting income from one source of income, which is a 9 to 5 or whatever shift you work. But this is basically targeted to people who are currently working. Now, just a little disclaimer, I am also an employee. I work in the financial services industry. I'm in banking to be exact, but at the same time, I do have other streams of income that come to me. So my goal here is to enlighten you on how you can make more money. Now, it all begins with you have to make a decision. You have to come to the realization that just having one source of income, just having a job is not going to cut it today. There's stuff called inflation. Inflation slowly creeps on every single one of us. No matter what economy you're in, inflation is a fact of the economic cycle. So things are getting more expensive. There are more obligations. We have more, debt. We have more, pressures on our financial resources. And if you only have one source of income or one form of income, then you're at a disadvantage. So you have to find ways in which to increase your income or to make more money. And one of the best ways right now is for you to start a business. You have to start a business. I know there are certain people that go, you need to start a side gig, whatever you call it, you have to start a business. That's the only way you can make more money. I'm sorry to say, but that's the only way you can make more money. Or you can get a high-paying job, okay, whereby you earn a decent amount of income. Now, the easiest way for most people, okay, is to get a part-time job, but you're still trading hours for money, and there's only 24 hours in a day. How many hours can you physically work? So you have to figure out a way in which you can generate extra income without having to physically be present. Okay, initially it might demand that you're there physically, but eventually, if you have things set up correctly, you can generate extra income. Okay, you can make more money. Now, there are different programs or there are different ways for you to earn more money. Number one, you can start an online business whereby you're selling products or services. Number two, you can actually start a physical business whereby you're offering services or products physically. That means you're actually going out there getting customers and selling products. Now, the key to making more money is you have to provide value. I've said it in previous videos, you have to provide value to the marketplace. You have to bring some form of value to the marketplace, and in return, you're compensated. So you have to devote yourself to actually providing value, providing services, providing a product to the marketplace, and that's how you make money. Okay, most people who are wealthy today have figured out a way to touch the lives of many people. So for instance, you have Bill Gates. He's got Microsoft and other businesses. Microsoft provides, software and other services to a vast majority of people, whether it's businesses or individuals. we all are impacted by Microsoft. If you use a computer, a personal computer, chances are you probably have one of Microsoft's software installed on that computer. The next one is Apple. Apple is one of the biggest brands out there. Same thing. Apple provides valuable service and valuable products to the marketplace, and in return, they're compensated. Same thing with Amazon. Amazon, was started by Jeff Bezos. Now, he didn't just start from, and become what he is today, but guess what? He put in the time, he provided, value to the marketplace, and in return, he's compensated. So these are just examples of some major brands that started from nothing. It all started from a dream. It all started from someone, coming up with a product or service and being able to affect many lives. So for you to be able to make more money, you want to come up with a product, you want to come up with a service whereby you're touching many lives. You're providing value to a whole bunch of people. Okay? So that's the only way you can make more money. You have to provide value. You have to bring some form of value to the marketplace. So there is no secret. This is what you have to do if you want to create or generate more income or have more money. So I hope this resonates with you. The key is you have to provide some form of service or some form of product to the marketplace that the marketplace, wants. Okay, so you want to do your research, figure out what your strengths are and what you can provide to the marketplace, and in return you'll be compensated. There's no two ways about this. Okay, so if you want more money, you have to provide services or products that people demand. And right now, there's with the internet, there's so many opportunities for you to earn more money. So you just need to sit down, figure out what you're interested in, go online, do your research, and then come up with something. Okay? Now is the time for you to take action. You cannot wait, until you have a perfect situation. There's never going to be a perfect time for you to start a business. There's never going to be a perfect time for you to provide, value to the marketplace. So now is the time for you to get involved. Otherwise, you're going to get left behind. Like I said, costs are slowly increasing. There's inflation. So, you go to the grocery store to buy produce, and you can see the prices are slowly creeping up. So you want to make sure that you place yourself in a great position, so that way you're building generational wealth for yourself and your family. So I hope you found this video helpful and useful. And if you found this video useful, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every week I share great content with my subscribers on things that I'm doing and implementing in my personal life to master my personal finance and also grow my wealth. And I want the same thing for you. Okay, so I appreciate you being here today, and thank you so much for subscribing if you've already subscribed to my channel. And also remember to hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you when I have new videos up. So before I close, make sure you're true to yourself, you're true to your goals, and never ever give up. Okay, so I'll catch you in my next video. Take care. Bye bye.